नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन या चॅप्टरवर युनिट टेस्ट बघणार आहोत. ही युनिट टेस्ट एकूण 20 मार्कची असणार आहे. त्याला टाइम हा 1 तास असणार आहे. यातील सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत समजून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट. विच वन इज द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन? फर्स्ट, 5 upon x minus 3 is equals to x square. B, x into in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 2. C, n minus 1 is equals to 2n. D, 1 upon x square into in bracket x plus 2 is equals to x. Okay, now we'll verify which one is the quadratic equation. Now see this here first. That is a standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. हा quadratic equation चा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म आहे. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन जर आपण इथे बघितलं तर 5 upon x minus 3 is equals to x square. If you multiply on both sides by x, then you will get here x into 5 by x minus 3 into x is equals to x square into x. Here x get cancelled. You will get here 5 minus 3x, x square into x, you will get here x cube. Okay, therefore this is not the quadratic equation because the highest power of this equation is a 3. Okay, therefore it is not the quadratic equation. Now next, n minus 1 is equals to 2n, this one. Okay, and if we simplify this, then you will get here n plus 1 is equals to 0. And here the highest power, n ची highest power किती आहे? तर ती 1 आहे. आपल्याला 2 पाहिजे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन साठी. अगेन सी इज ऑल्सो नॉट क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. नेक्स्ट, 1 upon x square into in bracket x plus 2 is equals to x. If you multiply on both sides by x square, then you will get here x plus 2. या इक्वेशनला जर आपण x square ने जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं, then what you will get here x square into 1 upon x square into in bracket x plus 2 is equals to x into x square. Then here x square will get cancelled. You will get here x plus 2 is equals to x into x square. Overall, you will get here x cube. That is x plus 2 is equals to x cube. Again, the highest power of this equation is a 3, and hence it is also not the quadratic equation. And finally, x into x plus 5 is equals to 2. If you multiply this x to x plus 5, then you will get here x square plus 5x and minus 2. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, and hence option B is correct here. Okay, म्हणून the quadratic equation is a x into in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 2. Hence option B is correct here. Okay, now next question. Out of the following equations, which one is not a quadratic equation? Okay, first is x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square. B, x square is equals to 4x. C, 5x square is equals to 90. D, 2x minus x square is equals to x square plus 5. Okay, now we'll verify here. इथे व्हेरीफाय करणार आपण. फर्स्ट, if we see the first option, that is x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square. आपण दोन्ही साइडला x square कट करू शकतो इथे. Therefore you will get here 4x is equals to 11, and hence first equation is not the quadratic equation. What about the second, x square is equals to 4x? It's a quadratic equation, highest power is 2. What about the third, 5 square is equals to 90, that is a 5 square minus 90 is equals to 0, highest power is 2. Okay, and what about the D, that is a 2x minus x square is equals to x square plus 5. If we simplify this, then you will get here 2x is equals to x square plus x square. Okay, see this here, x square plus x square, that is a 2x square, and if we simplify this, then you will get here 2x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Hence B is a quadratic equation, C is a quadratic equation, D is a quadratic equation. And first is not the quadratic equation. Okay. And hence here the option A is a correct here. Now next, which of the following is the value of k if the roots of x square plus 4x plus k is equals to 0 are real and unequal? Okay. First option, k is less than 4. B, k is greater than 4. C, k is less than or equal to 4. And D, k is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. Now here we simplify. X square plus 4x plus k is equals to 0. We'll compare here the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. याच्याशी compare करणार. The value of a is 1, b is 4, c is k. Okay. Find out the discriminant, that is the delta. b square minus 4ac ची value find out करणार. ओके, आपल्याला ते कसं पाहिजे की रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल, therefore this delta must be greater than 0. That is a 4. Substitute the value of b, that is a 4 minus 4, a is 1 and c is a k, which is greater than 0. 4 square minus 4k greater than 0. Divide on both sides by 4, then you will get here 4 minus k greater than 4. Add k on both sides. It means that this k is less than 4, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal, and hence option A हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो बरोबर आहे. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, what is the value of k if 3 is a solution of quadratic equation 3x square plus in bracket k minus 1 bracket complete into x plus 9 is equals to 0. Now the first option A is a minus 13, B is 13, C किती तर minus 11 and D is a plus 11. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्याने एक रूट दिलेलं आहे, म्हणजे इथे आपण x is replaced by 3 करणार, सॉल्व करणार, and then you will get the value of k. Now we will see this. 3x square plus in bracket k minus 1 into x plus 9 is equals to 0. Replace this x by 3 because 3 is a solution of that quadratic equation. 3 into 3 square plus k minus 1 into 3 plus 9 is equals to 0. Next simplification. तर हे इक्वेशन जे आलेलं आहे 3 into 3 square plus in bracket k minus 1 into 3 plus 9 whole equation ला 3 ने डिवाइड करणार. Then you will get 3 square means what 9 plus k minus 1 and lastly इथे देखील 3 ने डिवाइड केलं तर 3 कट होणार. 9 divided by 3, then you will get here 3. Okay, 9 plus k minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 0. 9 plus 3, you will get here 12. 12 minus plus 12 and minus 1. If you simplify, then you will get here k plus 11 is equals to 0, means k is equals to minus 11. And hence option A C हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो बरोबर आहे. Okay, now see this is the answer. Option C is a correct one. Next, now solve the following sub question, 2 marks. Write the values of A, B, C for the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now the solution x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now here the value of a is 1, c is a minus 3. I forget to write the value of b. b ची व्हॅल्यू माझ्याकडनं लिहायची राहिली. But what is the value of b? b is equals to minus 1. Actually इथे दोनच व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत, पण वरती abc लिहिलं गेलेलं आहे ते. Okay, we want to find out only the two values. The value of a is a 1 and b c is a minus 3. या दोनच व्हॅल्यूज पाहिजेत आपल्याला. Now next, write the quadratic equation if sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is equals to minus 6 and products of the roots means alpha into beta is equals to 4. ओके, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आपल्याला तयार करायचं आहे आणि इथे आपण व्हेरिएबल काय घेतलाय तर एक्स घेतलेला आहे. एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ सबस्टिट्यूट द व्हॅल्यू. Therefore x square minus Alpha plus beta is a minus 6 bracket complete into x. Alpha into beta is a 4. If we simplify, then you will get here x square हे minus minus plus होणार x square plus 6x plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now next, complete any one of the following activity. 2 marks. First, one of the roots of the quadratic equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 is 1 by 3. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. ओके, एक रूट त्याने आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे, ते किती येतात 1/3 आहे आणि के ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी पूर्ण करायची आहे. 1/3 is the root of quadratic equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. Substitute x is equals to 1/3 in the equation. Now see this here, k. X is replaced by 1/3 bracket square इथे minus 10 into again 1/3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Next बघा इथे fill in the blanks आहेत इथे. Okay, that is this dash dash into k minus 10 by 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. K minus dash dash plus 27 is equals to 0. Multiplying each term by 9. And the next k minus dash dash is equals to 0. Therefore k is equals to dash dash. ओके, आता हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार आणि ते सिम्प्लिफाय करताना इथे 1/3 चा स्क्वेअर मीन्स व्हॉट यू विल गेट हियर 1/9 येणार इथे पहिला. ओके, नेक्स्ट त्याने आपल्याला दिले इथे मल्टिप्लाइंग ईच टर्म बाय 9. याला जर 9 ने मल्टिप्लाइड केलं देन यू विल गेट हियर 9 into 1/9. 9 विल गेट कॅन्सल. यू विल गेट हियर k minus again here 9 into 10/3. If we again simplify it, then you will get here 30. ओके, 9 into 10/3. तो लोवेस्ट करणार म्हणजे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार 3 1 चा 1 आणि 3 3 जार 9. ओके, 3 and 10 that makes 9 30. And next 3 into again 9, then you will get here 27. Okay, by multiplying 9 to each term you will get here k minus 30 plus 27 is equals to 0. आता हेच पुन्हा सिम्प्लिफाय करणार minus 30 plus 27, then you will get here minus 3. इथे किती येणार तर minus 3 येणार. And next simplification, हा minus 3 पलीकडे गेल्यानंतर तो कसा होणार तर प्लस होणार. And therefore here lastly you will get here k is equals to 3. And in this way this activity is completed here. या टर्मलाच फक्त तुम्ही इथे 9 ने मल्टिप्लाइड केला तर तुम्हाला सिम्प्लिफिकेशन मिळेल. Now next activity, complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation root 3x square plus 4x minus 7 root 3 is equals to 0 by factorization method. Now see this is the quadratic equation root 3x square plus 4x minus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. The product of first and last term, that is a 3 into 7 root 3 is a 21 दिले त्याने आपल्याला. Next root 3x square plus dash dash minus dash dash minus 7 root 3 is equals to 0. Now next ही पूर्ण ऍक्टिव्हिटी बघा आधी. ओके, या दोन फिल इन द ब्लँक्स आपल्याला भरायचे आहेत आणि शेवटच्या. नाव हियर आपल्याला दोन टर्म्स आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे की ज्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येतं ते 21 येतं आणि त्याची टोटल किती आली पाहिजे तर ती 4x आली पाहिजे. Then what are the two numbers? The numbers are 7x minus 3x. म्हणून इथे किती येणार तर 7x आणि इथे किती येणार तर 3x येणार. ओके, now see this here 7x, now here is a 3x. ओके, पुन्हा या दोघातनं कॉमन घेणार. काय कॉमन येणार इथे नंबर तर नाही येणार तर x आला इथनं कॉमन. देन इन ब्रॅकेट रूट 3x plus 7. या दोघातनं कॉमन. आता इथे किती तर 3 आहे. 3 कॅन बी रिटन ॲज root 3 into root 3. Take root 3 as a common, minus root 3 as a common, then in bracket you will get a minus root 3 in bracket root 3x plus 7 bracket complete is equals to 0. Now the next root 3x plus 7 remaining terms काय येते यामध्ये x minus root 3 bracket complete is equals to 0. Next root 3x plus 7 is equals to 0 or x minus root 3 is equals to 0. And the last x is equals to हा 7 पलीकडे जाणार. रूट 3x ला मल्टिप्लाइड आहे तो या 7 ला डिवाइड होणार. therefore x is equals to minus 7 upon root 3. And finally here x minus root 3 is equals to 0 म्हणजे काय the x is equals to root 3, and in this way this activity is also completed. Now next, B. Solve any one of the following sub question. It is for 2 marks. See this here. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equals to 0, then find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now we will compare this 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here the value of a is 2, b is 6, c is a minus 5. Alpha plus beta. Formula काय the sum of the roots minus b upon a. This is the formula. Substitute the value. b किती आहे तर 6 आहे minus 6 upon a 2 आहे. Therefore alpha plus beta is a minus 3. Next, what about the alpha into beta? C upon a. The value of c is minus 5, a is 2. Therefore alpha into beta is a minus 5 by 2. And in this way, the answer, that is alpha plus beta, is minus 3. Alpha into beta is a minus 5 by 2. Okay, now next. Solve x square minus 15x plus 54 is equals to 0. हे quadratic equation factorization method ने आपण ते solve करणार. First term last term multiplication करणार. ते किती आलं तर 54. ओके, मग असे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 54 आणि त्याची ॲडिशन मायनस 15 आली पाहिजे. मायनस 9x मायनस 6x. ओके, या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 54 येणार आणि त्याची ॲडिशन मायनस 15x. पहिल्या दोघातनं कॉमन घेणार, x कॉमन, then in bracket you will get here x minus 9. From these two, take 6 as a common, minus 6 as common, then in bracket you will get here x minus 9 is equals to 0. Take x minus 9 in first bracket common from these two terms, x minus 9, and the remaining terms x minus 6 in the second bracket. X minus 9 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. X is equals to 9 or x is equals to 6. And this is the solution. That is x is equals to 9 and 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now next. Question number 3. Solve any two of the following sub question. It's for 6 marks. First question. With the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 using the formula. ओके, या प्रकारच्या स्टेप्स आपल्याला फॉलो करायच्या आहेत. कंपेअर इक्वेशन्स x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 रूट 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Find the values of a, b, c. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Write formula to solve the quadratic equation. Substitute values of a, b, c and find the roots. Okay, या फ्लो चार्ट नुसार आपल्याला तो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचा आहे. We will solve this quadratic equation with the help of formula. Okay, now let us start. सुरू करूया. फर्स्ट त्याने आपल्याला काय स्टेप दिली? कंपेअर द इक्वेशन्स x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 रूट 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Find the values of a, b, c. Okay, now the first step. हे आपण कंपेअर करणार. Then what is the value of a? A is 1, b is a 2 root 3, c is equals to 3. This is the first step. Okay. What about the second step? Find value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. The value of b is a 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4. The value of a is 1, c is 3. Okay. 2 root 3 चा स्क्वेअर, 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4 आलाय. रूट 3 चा स्क्वेअर किती येणार तर 3. 3 into 4 12. इथे 12 मिळाला तुम्हाला. पुढे इथे देखील 4 into 1 4 into 3 12. 12 minus 12 that is equals to 0. डिस्क्रिमिनंटची व्हॅल्यू किती आली या ठिकाणी तर 0 आली. ओके, राईट फॉर्म्युला टू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute the value. X is equals to b, the value of b is a 2 minus 2 root 3 plus or minus in root of 0. कारण की b square minus 4a ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे तर 0 आहे. And to the denominator 2 into 1. 2 get cancel, you will get here x is equals to minus root 3. Okay, here the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. the roots are real and equal. Okay, and hence the answer. The minus root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, now next question number 2. Alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus 3x minus 7 is equals to 0. Complete the activity to find alpha cube. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now first sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. आता या ठिकाणी b ची व्हॅल्यू किती तर -3 आहे आणि a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे. Therefore minus in bracket -3. Okay. Here substitute the value minus in bracket -3 upon 1. Minus minus हे काय होणार तर प्लस होणार 3 upon 1. Overall finally you will get here 3. Okay. This is alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta c upon a. C ची व्हॅल्यू -7, A ची व्हॅल्यू 1, अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू -7, अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा ब्रॅकेट क्यूब मायनस, आता इथे हा फॉर्म्युला आहे -3 अल्फा इंटू बीटा in bracket alpha plus beta. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? 3, इथे 3 चा क्यूब -3 अल्फा इंटू बीटा -7 अल्फा प्लस बीटा हा 3 इथे सिंप्लिफिकेशन करणार 3 चा क्यूब किती आला तर 27. This minus and minus that will become plus. This 9 into 7 you will get here 63. If we add it then you will get here alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 90. Okay. And in this way this activities are completed. Next, a shopkeeper buys a certain number of books from a publisher for rupees 240. The publisher gives him 4 more books for the same amount with a condition that the shopkeeper would donate rupees 2 per book to an orphanage. Okay. Now here how to construct. First, let the shopkeeper buys X books. Okay. Then we will find out the price of that one book. What is the cost per book? That will be the 240 upon X. That will be the cost of one book. What is the cost of X plus 4 books? The cost of X plus 4 book म्हणजे किती येणार ते 240 upon X plus 4. Okay. Since the shopkeeper gets 4 more books, त्याला ती 4 पुस्तकं जास्त मिळणार असतात. Form an equation and find the number of books brought. Okay. आता याचा अर्थ काय की सुरुवातीला त्या पुस्तकाची किंमत कशी होती तर ती जास्त होती. दॅट इज द प्राइस ऑफ वन बुक इज अ 240 अपॉन एक्स. नंतर मात्र ती कमी झाली. दॅट इज अ 240 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 4. मग ती कितीने कमी झाली तर 2 रुपीजने कमी झाली. मीन्स वॉट? दॅट इज अ डिफरन्स 240 अपॉन एक्स मायनस 240 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 2. या प्रकारे ते क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन तयार होणार आहे. चला बघूया. नाव दी सोल्युशन. Let the shopkeeper buy X books. The cost is rupees 240. Therefore, the cost per book rupees 240 upon X. 4 books were given free by the publisher by the condition that shopkeeper would donate rupees 2 per book to an orphanage. Okay. Therefore, for rupees 240, the books purchased were X plus 4. Now the cost per book is rupees 240 upon X plus 4. The shopkeeper has to donate rupees 2 per book to an orphanage. Therefore, 240 upon X minus 240 upon X plus 4 is equals to 2. Now we'll simplify this equation. Okay. आता हे equation solve करणार. Okay. Next, 240 यातनं common घेणार. Okay, then the cross multiplication. If we take the 240, then x plus 4 into 1 minus 1 into x. Therefore, in bracket you will get here 240. हे common काढलेलं आपण इथे x plus 4 हा इथे येणार, x इकडे जाणार. That is x plus 4 minus x upon the product of their denominators. That is x into x plus 4 is equals to 2 plus x minus x will get cancelled. 240 into 4. that is equals to 2x into x plus 4. ओके, आता पुन्हा इथे 2 ने सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार, 2 ने डिवाइड करणार या इक्वेशनला. 240 into 2 is equals to x into x plus 4. Then you will get here x into x, x square plus 4x. 240 into 2, you will get here 480. Okay. Now x plus 4x minus 480 is equals to 0. हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळालंय. इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग काय की सर्वप्रथम जेव्हा तो एक्स बुक्स परचेस करतो तेव्हा त्याची प्राइस आणि नंतरची प्राइस या दोघातला डिफरन्स किती आहे, तर तो 2 आहे. नेक्स्ट, x square plus 4x is equals to 480. तेच इक्वेशन इथे आहे. नाव दी फॅक्टर्स 24 and minus 20, these are the two numbers. डिफरन्स किती आहे, तर तो 4 आहे आणि या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट केला तर किती येणार, -480. पुन्हा नेक्स्ट इथनं कॉमन घेणार, x कॉमन, देन इन ब्रॅकेट x plus 24 minus 20, then in bracket x plus 24 is equals to 0. Take x plus 24 in first bracket, second bracket x minus 20 is equals to 0. X plus 24 is equals to 0 or x minus 20 is equals to 0. Okay, x is equals to minus 24 or x is equals to 20. But the number of the books cannot be negative. Okay, x is equals to minus 24 is unacceptable. Okay, therefore x is equals to 20, and hence the answer is 20 books were brought. Okay, now next, solve any one of the following sub question. It's for 4 marks. First question, Mukund possesses rupees 50 more than what Sagar possesses. The product of the amount they have is numerically 15,000. Find the amount each has. Now the solution. आता कमी कोणाजवळ ते, तर ते सागर जवळ आहेत. लेट द सागर हॅव रुपीज x, then the Mukund has rupees x plus 50. The product of the amount is numerically, that is x into, in bracket, next bracket, x plus 50. Therefore, from the given condition, x into x plus 50 is equals to 15,000. Simplify करणार ते, x square plus 50x minus 15,000 is equals to 0. Simple. Here the factors are 150x minus 100x. या दोघातला डिफरन्स किती आहे, तर 50 आहे. दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट किती येणार, -15,000. ओके, the common from first two is x, from the next two is a -100, then in bracket you will get here x plus 150. Okay, take x plus 150 as a common, then in next bracket x minus 100 is equals to 0. Okay, now here x plus 50 is equals to 0 or x minus 100 is equals to 0. Next, x is equals to minus 150 or x is equals to 100. But the amount cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to minus 150 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equals to 100 and x plus 50 is equals to 100 plus 50, that is a 150. And hence here the answer is Sagar has rupees 100 and Mukund has rupees 150. Okay. Now next example. If 460 is divided by a natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the divisor. Okay. Now the solution. Let the divisor be x. Then the quotient is 5x plus 6. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is a 460 is equals to. Okay. Now here the divisor is x and the quotient is 5x plus 6. X into, in bracket, 5x plus 6. Remainder is 1. And if you simplify this, then you will get here 460 is equals to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. That is 5x. Therefore, 5x square plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 460. If you simplify, then you will get here 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. आता फॅक्टर्स करणार, फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार आणि त्यावरनं असे दोन नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करणार की ज्या दोघातला डिफरन्स हा 6x आहे आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती पाहिजे आपल्याला, 5 into 459. Okay, therefore here the required numbers are 51x and minus 45x. Okay, next. Okay, या दोघातनं कॉमन घेणार from the first two. 5x कॉमन, then in bracket you will get here x minus 9. नंतरच्या दोघातनं 51 कॉमन घेतलेला आहे. Then in bracket you will get here again common x minus 9 and remaining terms in the next bracket, that is 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. X minus 9 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. Okay, therefore x is equals to 9 or 5x is equals to minus 51. X is equals to minus 51 upon 5. Okay, but x is equals to minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number. Therefore, x is equals to minus 51 upon 5 is not acceptable, and hence x is equals to 9. Okay, and therefore the quotient is a 5x plus 6, that is equals to 5 into 9 plus 6, that is equals to 45 plus 6 is equals to 51. Okay, and hence here the quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. Okay, and in this way we have completed this test. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.